Hey, hey, something's not right here. Hey man, what's happening, man? I haven't seen you for the longest time. What's happening, man? Banana Boat Joe. Remember the name? I'm a sick rapper, man. It's 50? 50 Cent? Yeah. G-Unit. G-Unit. Yeah. My name's 50 Cent. You know how we do. Yeah. But anyway, man, on the real, what's that? Oh, you got that cool. You got that cool. That marijuana. Marijuana. Sweet Marie. My name's Banana Boat Joe. Cause when I was out there in the sea, I was battling sharks, nigga. Yeah, it was a crazy life out there, man. You know, the sea is no joke, man. Yeah. Banana Boat Joe, I'm on Chatroulette. I'm talking to you. You're rolling your neck like you're a dog. You just got wet. You're trying to shake the water off. Yeah, I want a rap battle with you, nigga. I was living at the sea, man, and I was swimming one day, and I say, hey, brother, look at that fish. My brother said, hey, don't touch that fish, man. It's a shark. I was like, that gonna bite me? I ain't gonna bite me. And I had to swim. Oh, you have shark teeth too? Yeah. Yeah. So I woke up in the club and I see the shawties. I said, hey, shawty, what's happening? Man, come over here, I bought rose. I got a bottle of Ciroc, I got a bottle of Goose. Sit in my mother, VIP boom, bitch. I got that money, man. I got that money coming out of my silver tooth, nigga. Yeah. You heard it here. Oh yeah. You in class or you on this? Hey, that's gangster though. That's gangster. That is gangster, nigga. I like it. That's why your mama paying you to go to school for, boy? Oh baby, it's so good. Oh, it's so big. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got.
Did you call me on Banana Boat?
Yeah, Banana. My name's Banana Boat Joe. Yeah. I went to Deadpool and I changed my name to Banana Boat Joe because people told me back in Africa I couldn't make it to UK, so I am legend. No legend.
Your name is Banana Boat, yeah?
Yeah, Banana Boat, and the third name is Joe. Banana Boat Joe. Remember the name, man. My